Okay, so let's have quarter 1, module 14, solving systems of linear equation by substitution. Okay. And so here are the steps on how to solve the system of linear equation into variables by substitution. So we have 3 steps here. First one is to solve for one variable in terms of the other variable in one of the equations. Then substitute to the second equation the value of the variable found in step number 1. Then solve the resulting equation to find the value of the other variable. Next is to check the values of the variables obtained by substituting to the linear equations in the system. Okay, so let's use the activities here for examples. Okay, so it says here, practice more on substitution. Substitute the given value of the variable to determine the resulting equation and value of x. And answer the questions that let's have number 1. We have x plus y equals 12. And given the value of the variable, which is y equals 3x, we have to find the resulting equation and the value of x. Okay, so simply you have to change y here and the first equation with the variable y is equal to 3x. So instead of 3x, you have to change the y here into 3x. Okay, so when you rewrite it, it will be x plus, okay, so instead of y, change it into 3x, okay, equals 12. Okay, so again, dito pa din po tayo magbe-base. Pero, instead na y yung ilalagay mo dito, you have to change it into 3x. And then after that, we have to solve this the same way on how you're solving our linear equation. So first is to combine like terms. We have x plus 3x, that is 4x equals 12. To find the value of our x, divide both sides by, okay, so we got x is equal to 3. Okay, so the value of x is 3. Okay, next, number 2. We have x plus y equals 10, and the value of the variable is y equals x plus 2. So again, change your y into x plus 2. Okay, so this one will be changed with this. We get x plus x plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so after that, solve it using our linear equation. So combine like terms, you get x plus x, that is equal to 2x plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so after that, isolate under 2x, we get 2x equals 8. And then after that, divide both sides by 2. So we get x is equal to 4. Here. Next, let's have 3x plus y equals 9, given that y is equal to negative 2x. Okay, so again, from here, your y will be changed into negative 2x. So we get 3x plus negative 2x equals. Okay, so solving for our x, will have 3x. So this plus minus 2, that is negative 2. So we get 3x minus 2 equals 9. Okay, so adding both sides with 2. So we get here 3x is equal to 9 plus 2. So that is equal to 11. So 3x is equal to 11. Then divide both sides by 3. Okay, so our x will be 11 thirds. Okay, next, number 4. We get x minus y equals 15, given that the value of our variable y is 2x plus 3. So again, change your y here into 2x plus 3. Papalitan lang po. So x minus 2x plus 3 equals 15. Okay, so solving this, we get x minus 2x. Hey, don't forget this is minus. So we have to distribute our negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3 equals 15. Okay, simplify. We get x minus 2x, that is x minus 3 equals 15. Add both sides with 3. So we get x is equal to 8. There. Next, number 5, we get x minus y equals 20. And our y is equal to negative x minus 2. Okay, so change your y into negative x minus 2. So we get x minus negative x minus 2 equals 20. Okay, so after that, simplify. We expand. Again, this is negative, so you have to distribute. So we get x plus 2 equals 20. X plus x is 2x plus 2 equals 20. Okay, do the inverse so that we can isolate our x. So we got 2x equals 18. Divide both sides with 2. We get x is equal to 18 over 2, or that is equal to 9. Next, solve the system of linear equations into variables using substitution. Show the steps on how to solve by substitution. If a system is inconsistent, then write no solution. And if a system is dependent, write infinitely many solutions. Okay, so number 1. So we already have y equals x minus 6. So again, on the second equation, an x minus y equals 2. Change your y here into x minus 6. Okay, so we'll have x minus 6 equals 2. So we got x minus x. That will be, okay, this is no solution. Why? Because when you have x minus x, that will be 0. It is not possible that you have, if it doesn't have x, kapag wala tayong variable na x, it is not possible. So, no solution. Next, number 2. We get x minus y equals 13 and x is equal to 4y plus 1. So again, since this is the value of our x already, change your x here into 4y plus 1. So we get x minus y equals 13. Change the x into 4y plus 1 minus y equals 13. Okay, so next, simplify 4y minus y. That is 3y plus 1 equals 30. Okay, after that, subtract 1. Okay, so we got 3y equals 12. Divide both sides with 3. So our y here is equal to 4. Find your x. So substitute 4 on the first equation. So instead of writing, let's use na lang itong second equation. Because it is already x equals. So the y here, change it into 4. So x equals 4 times 4 plus 1. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1. X is equal to 7. Okay, so our solution for number 2, that is 17. Okay, next number 3. So we get x plus y equals 0 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 16. Okay, so let's rearrange first the first equation so that we can have the value for one variable. So x plus y equals 0. We can write that as x is equal to negative 1. So we got 2x. So x here will be negative y. plus 2y equals 16. So we get negative 2y plus 2y equals 16. So again, we will not have any variables. So we get no solution for number